morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome new recipe for you. Actually, today I am going to making some special recipe. Actually, this recipe is in the world very famous recipe. Everyone know about this recipe. So many video in YouTube, also in Facebook, also so many video about this recipe. But I am going to make in this little bit different way. I will show you how to make in this little bit different way and so delicious recipe. This one you can use it breakfast and lunch or dinner, something tea time. Also you can use this one. Okay guys, same like that video I will make in future in every week for you. So many kind of new recipes, so many kind of national international recipe also I will make for you. Don't forget to subscribe and definitely put in the bell icon please, and you can get in the my notification everything. Thank you so much guys. Okay, first step finish. We will go to the next step. Okay, second step finish. We will go to the third step.